The present value of Honk is $0.009639, exhibiting an increase of $0.007176, 291.29%, in comparison to its value 3 months ago. Honk is expected to have substantial growth in the upcoming 12 months as the market rebounds. Honk is currently exhibiting bearish indications, with a score of 0 out of 100. The Honk price is predicted to reach $0.017351 by the end of 2023, according to a bullish forecast. Honk's price has surged by 77.57% within the last 24 hours. Honk has undergone substantial expansion in the last 12 months, rebounding from a period of declining prices on the market. As a result of this recent expansion, it is anticipated that the value of Honk will increase to a peak of $0.036629 during the coming years. Investors in Honk have achieved a remarkable return of 291.29% on their investment in the last week, thanks to the favorable market conditions that Honk has seen. Based on our analysis of the technical indicators for Honk, we see a little downturn occurring in the coming days. Over the last 24 hours, the value of Honk has surged by 77.57%. Honk has experienced consistent growth throughout the past week, with a substantial increase of 291.29%. This surge has enthused Honk investors on the return on investment they have achieved this week. In the past month, the price of Honk has surged by 291.29%, resulting in a gain of $0.007176 from its previous value of $0.002463. This growth has led to a market capitalization of $0. If you are considering purchasing Honk today, it would be advisable to postpone your investment in Honk until another bad market emerges. The price of Honk has had a significant gain of 291.29% during the past 90 days, resulting in an addition of $0.007176 to its prior value of $0.002463. Is this an opportune moment to purchase Honk? Based on our analysis of the technical indicators for Honk, we anticipate a minor downturn in the next days. Therefore, we advise investors to exercise patience before purchasing Honk. Is Honk a sound investment? According to our technical analysis, Honk's present trajectory indicates that it is a favorable cryptocurrency investment. Is it advisable to make a financial investment in Honk? Based on our price forecast, our analysis indicates that Honk is currently a prudent investment. Is there a prospect for Honk's future? Due to Honk's robust fundamentals and substantial investor interest, we anticipate a positive future for the Honk coin. What is the maximum altitude that Honk can reach? This year, the average price of Honk is projected to surpass $0.014459. In the upcoming 5 years, it is anticipated that the value of Honk will surpass $0.065547.